What we have here is a 1965 Ford Ranchero. It's been sitting for approximately 10 years. We'll go ahead and do a little bit of a walk around on it. Wanted to interrupt this video to let you know that I'm coming to you from the future. So the video you're watching now, I filmed probably a month and a half ago. And don't look behind me because that might give you a hint on what we're going to do with this car. But if you're interested in something different, something unique, stay tuned because I've got big plans for the car. So I've come up with a vision, I've started executing it, and I just want to invite you to follow along this journey. But I'm definitely looking forward to the comments and suggestions. So if you'd like to follow along, go ahead and subscribe. If not, just keep coming back and checking. And I think the progress on this is going to be pretty interesting. So on with the video. So the body looks pretty straight. However, I do believe there's a lot of Bondo. This is what the inside looks like. Now, my understanding is this had a wooden bed originally, so you can see here we got some Bluetooth floor pans, nice cherry bomb muffler, super custom exhaust tip, and somebody at one point in time decided they would put a roll pan on here, and you can tell it's been damaged. So there's going to be quite a bit of work that we do to this. Not exactly sure which direction we're going to go, but for now I'm going to start off with power washing it and trying to get it cleaned up. The $1 million question is, can we get it running? I don't think so. So here you can see it was a 6-cylinder. This will be going away at some point. I think one idea that I have is putting a Mustang 2 front end in here, so we can do away with shock towers and put any engine in here that we want. But I have not nailed that down 100% yet what we're going to do. But anyway, I'm going to start today by doing some cleanup. So that's what we're about to start on. Here's a little status update. You can see here the engine's out. Transmission is out. I just got to get it out from under the car. And then we can move on to the next step. One thing I wanted to point out is in the 60s, the automotive engineers must have been mechanics themselves, because they designed these fenders to where the tools will just lay down in this valley and you don't have to worry about tools rolling off the fender. Thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, so stay tuned. I've got some big ideas for this car, so we'll see if we can pull it off.